So I've got to share something with you, right? Saturday night, I know I look a mess. I look a proper mess. But I've reached a point in the project. I just needed to share with everybody. Look at this. Have you guessed what we've been working on? Hey, more to the point, have you guessed what we've been working on? Because if you haven't, you're about to find out. Look. No. Ready? Can you see what it is? Look at the size of it. It's huge. It's mad. I'm super excited, man. I wanted to build one of these forever. Look, so from this point here, all the way across to this point here, 16 foot. 16 feet. 16 feet. Do you know how big that is? That is like 4 point something meters. Really big. I'm super excited. Can you tell? Check it out. Boom. Hope you all have a beautiful evening. Take it easy.